let us move to MS 014, that is Societal Context of Education, and the first question is: explain various agencies of socialization and interface among them. So answer could be in this way. Various agencies of socialization are family, school, peer groups, and mass media. So these are the major and peculiar agencies of socialization, but if we talk in general or in an overall broad sense, then the entire society is the agency for socialization. And each person with whom one comes in contact or interaction is in some way an agent of socialization. Although socialization is found in all interactions, but the most influential interaction occurs in particular groups, which are actually referred as agencies of socialization. So, let's see all of these particular groups are the agencies of socialization and the mutual interface among them. Family. Family, we know, is the child's first world. Actually, it is a world in itself, in which the child learns to live, to move, and to have his being within family. Not only the biological task of birth, protection, and feeding takes place, we also develop forced and intimate association with persons of different ages and sexes, which forms the basis of child's personality development. So family is the primary agency of socialization. School. After family, the educational institutions take over the charge of socialization. In some societies, socialization takes place almost entirely within the family. But in highly complex societies, children are also getting socialized by the educational system. Schools not only teach reading, writing, and other basic skills, they also teach students to develop themselves, to cooperate with others, to obey rules, and to test their achievements through competition. Peer group. So besides the world of family and school fellows, the peer, that is people of their own age and similar social status, and playmates highly influence the process of socialization. In the peer group, young child learns to conform to the accepted ways of a group and to appreciate the fact that social life is based on roles. Teenagers imitate their friends in part because the peer group maintains a meaningful system of rewards and punishments. Mass media. From early forms of print technology to electronic communication, media is playing a central role in shaping the personality of individuals. Since last century, technological innovations such as radio, motion pictures, recorded music, and TV have become important agents in socialization. Workplace. A fundamental aspect of human socialization involves learning to behave appropriately within an occupation. Occupational socialization cannot be separated from the socialization experience that occurs during childhood and adolescence. State. The protective functions which were performed by family members later goes stately operated by other agencies as hospitals, insurance companies, etc. Therefore, the state has become a provider of child care, which gives it a new and direct role in the socialization of infants. So, these various elements of society acts as the different agencies of socialization, and as every individual is depending on one another for a secure and smooth building of societal structure, similarly, these various agencies are also not isolate in their role and nature, rather, all are depending and influencing each other.
Alright.